Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back in my channel. Okay, in this science lessons we are going to learn about exercise science unit 5 about environment and natural resources. But before we start the lesson, let's say Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, let us identify some living things and non-living things around us. These are kinds of living things: animals, human, plants, tree, cat, tiger, etc. And these are the examples of non-living things: table, chair, pencil, ruler, book, door, etc. Question 1. Living things need food, air, and water to stay alive. Question 2. The surroundings we live in is called environment. Next part, about resources from the environment. Identify the resources in the blanks given below. A. Used for drinking, cooking, and as the habitat for marine life, and the resource is water. B. Provided by animals such as cows and plants, and the resource is food. C. Some examples are coal, gasoline, and natural gas, and the resource is fossil fuels. D. Living things need oxygen to survive, while plants need carbon dioxide to make food, and the resource is air. E. Provides wood, medicine, and is the habitat for wildlife, and the resource is forest. F. For farming and as the habitat for living things, and the resource is soil. Next question. Which is not a natural resource? And the answer is plastic. Question number 2. Which statement is not true? And the answer is all living things need sunlight and soil to survive. Question number 3. What are the examples of fossil fuels? Number 1, gasoline. Number 2, coal. Number 3, natural gas. And number 4, aluminum. And the answer is D. 1, 2, and 3. Number 4. What technology can farmers use to ensure the unlimited supply of water to their crops? And the answer is irrigation system. Number 5. Which of these below are clean sources of energy? 1. Solar panels. 2. Wind turbines. 3. Natural gas power station. 4. Coal power station. And the answer is A. 1 and 2. Number 6. Which of the following is caused by humans? And the answer is deforestation. Number 7. Deforestation will cause more blah 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 to stay in the atmosphere. And the answer is carbon dioxide. Number 8. Which are the effects of global warming? 1. Melting of the polar ice caps. 2. Rising of the seawater level. 3. Climate change around the world. 4. Imbalanced ecosystem. And the answer is C. 1, 2, and 3. Number 9. Which of the following is a way to protect our environment? And the answer is recycling. Number 10. Which of the following is not a way to conserve and preserve our natural resources? And the answer is C. Release industrial waste discharge into the rivers directly. Next part, fill in the blanks with the words given. Question A. Open. Burning results in air pollution and produces smoke and dust. Breathing in the polluted air is harmful to our health. Question B. Dumping rubbish or waste materials into rivers results in water pollution. Water from polluted rivers is unsafe for consumption. Aquatic plants and animals in the polluted rivers are also threatened. Next part about caring for the environment. Write, reduce, reuse, or recycle for each of the activities below. A. Turn off the light when not in the room. And this is a kind of reduce. B. Use store bags when shopping. And this is a kind of reuse. C. Use newspapers and magazines as wrapping paper. And this is a kind of recycle. D. Ride a bicycle and walk more. This is a kind of reduce. E. Take a shorter time to shower. And this is the kind of reduce. F. Use old tires, plastic jugs, and jars to plant vegetables. And this is the kind of recycle. G. Use washable containers when packing food. And this is the kind of reuse. Answer all the questions below. Our environment consists of living things and non-living things. There are many natural resources from the environment that we can use to meet our daily needs. A. What is the environment? And the answer is the surroundings that we live in. B. What are the 4 non-living things needed by living things? And the answer? Sunlight, soil, air, and water. C. Name 6 examples of natural resources. Fossil fuels, food, air, water, soil, forest. D. Which natural resource is used to produce electricity in power station? And the answer is fossil fuel or coal. Next questions. The diagram below shows the energy sources that involve technology. Name P and Q. P is solar panels and Q is wind turbines. The diagram below shows the energy sources that involve technology. What is the main resource for each P and Q to operate? P. Sun and Q. Wind. C. What is the function of both P and Q? And the answer is to generate electricity by using natural resources. D. What are the advantages of using P and Q? And the answer is clean and free of pollution, and then renewable. Question E. Where is the solar panel usually installed in the home? And the answer is on the roof. The last questions. The diagram below shows a natural resource from the environment. Question A. Name the natural resource X. And the answer is forests. Question B. Why is X an important natural resource? And the answer is because it provides wood, food, medicine, rubber, cotton, and as habitat of wildlife.
Alhamdulillah, I think it's enough for today. If you like the video, don't forget to click like, share, subscribe, and give a good comment. See you in my next lesson. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.